Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Woman Haul. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of leather skirt for girls and women. Different ideas of stitching of skirt. Some ideas front zip, some collection back zip, and so beautiful collection of side zip. Ruffle designs on skirt, zip designs on skirt, and very attractive collection of top with skirt, designer top, and some ideas t-shirts, dress shirts, and so beautiful collection of sweaters, zipper sweaters, high neck sweaters. So attractive, eye-catching colors of top with stylish and trendy leather skirt for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thanks for watching, take care and bye bye.